जब मेरी उम्र के हो जाओगे ना तब तुम्हें समझ में आएगा। Why don't you just listen to me? ये डायलॉग हम सब ने अपने बचपन में, अपने टीनेज ईयर्स में अपने पेरेंट्स से सुना होगा, और अभी ये ही डायलॉग हम अपने बच्चों पे चिपका देते हैं। बट डज दीज लेक्चर्स, दीज डायलॉग्स वर्क्स? नो, lectures never works with children, especially with teen. But then क्या काम करता है? What works is empathy, understanding what is going inside them, what are they thinking, putting yourself in their shoes. This is what works with children, with teens. When you lecture, then what happens? Teens often tune out because they feel criticized कि आप उन्हें criticize कर रहे हो. They become defensive. They either totally shut down or argue with you because they think that you don't understand. Number 3, they totally stop sharing their thoughts and feelings with you. So does these kind of things happen with you? If yes, then do let me know through comments कि हाँ आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है, आपका बच्चा भी इनमें से ऐसा कुछ करता है. Now coming back to the video, what to do then? Teens need someone who gets them, who understand them, and not someone who judge them. So I'm going to share 3 ways by which you can easily replace lectures with empathy. So first of all, validate their feelings. Instead of saying, why are you making such a big deal out of this? It's nothing. It's such a small matter. Say, I can see that this is really upsetting you. Do you want to share it with me? Want to tell me what's going on? इससे उन तक ये मैसेज जाएगा that you respect their feelings, you respect their point of view, you respect their emotions, even though this is a very trivial issue. आपके लिए कुछ नहीं है, still you understand that it might be a very big thing for them, and this is what they need, that you understand what they are going through, what they feel. Number 2, use reflective listening. When they say you never let me do anything, आप बस मुझे हर टाइम रोकते टोकते रहते हो, मुझे कुछ अपनी मर्जी से करने ही नहीं देते, तो यूजुअली उस टाइम पे एज अ पेरेंट हमारा रिस्पॉन्स होता है दैट्स नॉट ट्रू, आई लेट यू डू सो मेनी थिंग्स. पता नहीं तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, कितनी और फ्रीडम चाहिए. हमारे टाइम में तो हमें इतनी भी फ्रीडम में नहीं मिलती थी, तुम्हारे को इतना सब कुछ तो करने दिया जाता है. बट नो, हमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोलना है. यही गलती एज अ पेरेंट हम लोग करते हैं. हमें इसकी जगह क्या कहना है, ओह इट साउंड्स लाइक यू फील रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, हम आप पे बंधन लगा रहे हैं, हम आपको कुछ करने से रोक रहे हैं. Can we just sit and talk? Can you please help me understand where you feel restricted? कहाँ पे तुम्हें ज़्यादा फ्रीडम चाहिए जो कि तुम्हें नहीं मिल रही है. So reflective listening encourages them to open up. वो आपसे अपनी बात, अपने थॉट प्रोसेस शेयर कर सकते हैं. उन्हें लगता है कि yes, once again you are understanding their feelings. You are ready to listen at least. And number 3, avoid my way or the highway talk. ये तो बहुत 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 ज़्यादा होता है. किसी भी उम्र के पेरेंट्स हो, उनको हमेशा लगता है कि या तो मेरी बात मानो वरना कुछ नहीं है. जब आपका बच्चा आपके पास आकर कहता है कि माय फ्रेंड्स पेरेंट लेट देम स्टे आउट फॉर लेट बट यू नेवर अलाउ मी, सो उस टाइम पे हमें ये नहीं कहना है देन गो एंड लिव विद देम. अगर तुमको उनके रूल्स इतने ज़्यादा पसंद है, अगर यहाँ रहना है तो हमारी ही बात माननी पड़ेगी. यू विल हैव टू लिव बाय आवर रूल्स. So at that time you have to say, I understand that it might feel unfair to you, but as you know every house has their own set of rules. अभी हमारे घर के यही रूल्स हैं, बट स्टिल यू फील कि आपको आज़ादी नहीं मिल रही है, आपको कुछ करना है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट. लेट्स रिविजिट आवर रूल्स एंड मॉडिफाई देम इफ नेसेसरी, इफ रिक्वायर्ड. जहाँ आपको लगे कि जो आपको करना है वो भी आपको आज़ादी मिल रही है, प्लस दैट वर्क्स फॉर अस टू. तो जब आप बैठ के अगेन उनके साथ बात करोगे, यू विल नॉट से कि भाई मैंने तो ये रूल बना दिए हैं, अभी ने कोई नहीं तोड़ सकता. दिस विल अवॉइड सरकास्म and keeps the conversation constructive. showing that you are always there to listen to them, along with setting the boundaries, along with following the boundaries that you have set for them. And here is a pro tip in the end: the power of help me understand. जब भी आपके टीन को, प्री टीन को, आपके बच्चे को आके आप उसको लग रहा है यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, दे फील मिसअंडरस्टूड, नेवर एवर से कि तुम्हें तो हर टाइम ऐसा ही लगता है. इनफैक्ट ऑलवेज से help me understand, I am all ears, I am there to listen to you. What is bothering you? I am there, help me understand, and believe me, it can help wonders. It shifts the focus from conflict to connection, and this is what we want. और जब आप इस तरह से अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ, एम्पैथी के साथ उनके साथ डील करते हो, it builds trust. It shows them that you are on their side, you are in their team, not in the opposite team. Over time, they will open up, they will start sharing more of their stories, more of their feelings, and will start listening more also. This is what you want, isn't it? क्यों आपकी बात सुने? Because now they feel safe with you, because you are not judging them anymore. So, have you ever tried any empathetic response with your teen? What difference did it make? Share your story in the comment, and I love to hear. And remember, empathy is not just a parenting tool. It's the foundation of a strong relationship. So, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा? आपके क्या व्यूज हैं? Do let me know through comments. अगर आप कुछ और ऐड करना चाहते हैं, then do also let me know. And share the video with your friends, with your loved ones. And before we say bye, one more pro tip. Sometimes it is really good to have that connection, to have that trust, to take out that parenting lens and have that teen spirit. And with that teen spirit, communicate, have that energy, have those vibes in their terms, and connect with them, so that you can have a better relationships. So how you can have that teen spirit, how you can have that vibes, so that you can connect with your teen. For that we will be bringing more and more of such content, and you have to subscribe to the channel if you are watching this on the YouTube, or if you are watching it on Insta, then follow the page. Because we will be bringing lots and lot of content related to this. And till then, stay safe, happy and healthy. Bye bye. And yes, don't forget to share this with your friends.